This is my truck, a Chevy Silverado 1500 with an ARE camper shell. There are many like it, but this one is mine. My truck is a lot of things. Transportation, the home away from home for the dogs, a safe spot to be in inclement weather, car camping HQ, and a place that I do office work when I'm not in the office. So in my truck, it's important for me to have access to the right tools for a bunch of different occasions. Here under the back seats, I keep the larger things, like a telescoping snow brush with squeegee, dog towels, underseat toolbox to hold all the things I would need to access when I'm not driving, like a dog first aid kit, a human first aid kit, lots of tools to make adjustments, zip ties, glow sticks, the hex key for my fishing rod vault, TP, headlamp, screwdrivers, and pliers and such. A telescoping snow shovel, fairly key where I live. A warm blanket for emergencies, see above. A chuck-it, for those who like to be chucked to. And a handful of NRS cam straps for rooftop gear security. Except no substitutes. If you don't know, now you know. And this here is the D-van, where Ma and Pa chow down. Nearby, I keep the things that I use quite a bit. My leather gloves, a good broad spectrum sunscreen, cup holders for beverages, hand sani, chewing gum, don't mind if I do. Then further within the center console, I have this little organizer tray for things I need to get to all the time. Lens cloths for dirty sunglasses and goggles. Readers, unfortunately. Lug nut lock. Hair tie. #GirlDad. Things to write with. Business card holder. Rescue inhaler. Change for parking meters in case I go back in time. Snacks. Electrolyte drink packets. Chapstick, Advil. This brings me to the next area, underneath the organizer. This is where I keep spare gloves, my Spitz dill pickle sunflower seeds for road trips, and this. Inside is what MacGyver might have in his truck, but he would simply call it the center console kit. This kit that I use comes from a few inspirations, but ultimately, it's for solving problems. For when I'm on the go, I need to do work, need to fix things, or even do a little parenting. Here's what's in my center console kit. Strong zip ties, banded together with this cool bendy thing. Sharp nail clippers. Good quality clear tape. Gaffer's tape, super strong and doesn't leave a sticky residue. A pencil and a Bic Click pen, the best ballpoint pen I know of. 2 black Sharpies. I also wrap a few rubber bands around each of them, so keeping rubber bands handy. Post-it notes for when inspiration strikes while in traffic, the super sticky kind, of course. Binder clips, multi-purpose for organizing paper or holding broken things together temporarily. Glue stick, in combo with a classic Bic lighter, and you have a makeshift glue gun. Small tape measure. Velcro tabs. A basic headlamp. I know I showed you one in the backseat too, but it Redundancy with light is a feature, not a bug. A small multi-tool. This is the Leatherman Squirt PS4. It has little pliers, a couple of basic screwdriver heads, a file, a small blade, and scissors. Basic stuff. If I need more than that, I'll just have to go to the back seat. This little wax canvas pouch holds Band-Aids, safety pins, ointment, and quite possibly my favorite cheap and accessible medical invention of all time, the blister Band-Aid, has saved the day more than twice. I also see over there a needle and a thread for a lost button or emergency sutures. You never know. With all that in your vehicle, you ought to be able to get home.